Hello, dear humans and fellow space enthusiasts. This is Lost Legionoid back here with another space news video. Today, SpaceX's Crew-1 departed from the International Space Station and landed back off the coast of Florida at around 12 a.m. Pacific time. I actually missed the last time a crew departed from the ISS because I was studying for a test, but I hope you can forgive me. Anyways, Crew-1 undocked from the International Space Station at 5:35 p.m. Pacific time, completing their goal of undocking at 5:35 p.m. The Resilience completed 4 successful burns, re-entered the atmosphere, deployed their drogue chutes at around 11:53 p.m. Pacific time, and Splashdown 3 minutes later at 11:56 p.m. Pacific time. Congrats to SpaceX and Crew-1 for the successful splashdown. Also, the little conversation at the end about their, inner quotes, frequent flyer program made me laugh. But that wraps up today's space news video. So, this was Lost Legionoid. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.